Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to dropship on Etsy from AliExpress? In this video, I will show you how to dropship on Etsy from AliExpress. Watch till the end, you'll find all questions answered from this video. Or want to build a passive income store on Etsy without holding any inventory? In this video, I will show you step by step. So AliExpress to Etsy, what tools to use, what products to pick, and how to stay within Etsy rules. Let's break down. Now, understand how it works. Dropshipping means you list a product for sale, and when someone buys it, your AliExpress supplier ships it directly to your customer. You don't touch the inventory. Your job is to manage the listing and customer experience. Now create your Etsy store. Go to Etsy.com. Now go click on sell on Etsy. Set up shop name, branding, etc. Choose a niche. A brand name and upload your logo and banner. Focus on handmade style or trending items like jewelry, custom gifts, or fashion. From the dashboard, click the Shop Manager tab. Here, complete the post process like select your language, country name, currency, then save and continue. Enter your shop name, then continue. Then select your category like t-shirt, then physical product, finished product, then follow the process and click save. Add your product title, photos, description, personalization, etc. So go back and follow and complete the process. And now go to its dashboard. Now open a new tab. Search for AliExpress.com and search for print on demand, style, or handmade looking products. Use filters like 4 stars and up. Free shipping and ships from US for faster delivery and better customer satisfaction. Before you use a supplier, message them and ask if they are okay with dropshipping on Etsy. Also ask, can they ship without branding or invoices? What are their handling times? Do they offer tracking numbers? Now, to connect AliExpress with Etsy, use third-party apps like Desires or AutoDS. These tools help you import products from AliExpress, set pricing rules, automatically forward orders. AutoDS even has an Etsy compatible dropshipping system, which saves tons of time. Go to new tab, search for Desires, and Install the extension from Chrome. Now list your product on Etsy manually or using Search uh, or AutoDS. Make sure to use original product titles. Write a handmade style description. Use Etsy tags wisely. Upload realistic and aesthetic product images. Don't copy AliExpress photos directly. Set your price to include your profit margin. If the supplier charges $5 plus $3 shipping, you can sell it at $19.99. Use free shipping if possible. It performs better on Etsy. Create shipping profiles with accurate delivery estimates. When a customer places an order, either manually enter their details on AliExpress or let your tool do it automatically. Make sure to enter their name and address and ask the supplier again not to include any invoices or promotions. Stay on top of Etsy messages. Customers may ask for tracking or updates. Use 17track.net to help them follow their package and always respond within 24 hours to maintain your Etsy rating. Pros: low startup cost, huge product variety, no inventory needed. Cons: shipping can be slow. Etsy may flag non-handmade listings. Suppliers might make mistakes. Pro tips: order simple to check quality. Add your own branding inserts if possible. Stick to niches like decor, fashion, or gifts. Focus on great customer reviews and fast replies. And that's it. So that's how you start dropshipping from AliExpress to Etsy. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your niche ideas or questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.